Everything that is essential, everything that will save your life goes in a carry-on. Some girls like to do the totes. I did the tote thing. I did the sling shoulder, the duffel bag thing. I've done those things, and I'm telling you, to save your back, a backpack is the way to go. A backpack is the way to go. And then I have, like, you know, you can have one personal item and one carry-on on most flights. I'm flying Delta, so that's what I can do. And so I just have like a little crossbody. So thus far, I have put all of my face products. You see the Curology in there. I got the moisturizers, the AHA, BHA mask. While I'm there, I'm probably gonna do a little bit exfoliation. I'm putting that at the very bottom, okay? It's liquids and it's a little heavier at the very bottom. Carry-on item, shower gel. Mind you, everything that is essential goes in your carry-on. Everything that is essential, everything that will save your life goes in a carry-on. I got a face mask in here. Not a face mask, but whatever. Wipes, if something ever happens, you can't cleanse yourself. This is good if you have to use the restroom in a major way. Keep those on hand. Okay, all this is going at the very bottom. What is this? My dry shampoo is going in here, as is my liquid IV. I think I'm going to take it out the box though. That's another pro tip. Some things are just not convenient in the box they're in. Go ahead and take it out. Take it out. All that bulky stuff. All right, pack that in the top part of it. And I'm gonna bring you guys over to, our room's a little messy. Don't judge. So here's the ledge. Okay, here's the ledge that I chose to put everything that's carry-on item into. So, did I want to put it in there? Yeah. Medications. I'm putting that in the frontmost pocket because 9 times out of 10 you get that sooner than later. Then I've got like one outfit in case something happens to my luggage. I've actually got 2 outfits. It's just like a little 2-piece set, like what I'm wearing now, but short sleeve. I've got a little workout 2-piece set that's going at the bottom. Okay, this I'm actually wearing tomorrow, so I don't need to touch that. I'm gonna put that on. I might put it on before I go to bed, I don't know. Okay, that's like that. Now we have the things for my hair, scarf, and a silk lined hat. Sometimes it's just easier that way for me to wrap my hair. Put that in the frontmost pocket. Any designer, I got a Gucci clutch, it's going in here. It's going in here, simple as that. Okay, this, I don't really know why I have this out. This should be in my luggage. Okay, what's in here? This is a little bit of hair stuff. I need that. This pocket here. This is all my contacts. I need these on hand. I like to wear contacts just because it's a little bit easier. I like to wear sunglasses, so I don't have prescription sunglasses, so that's what I do. Okay, all my deodorants. This is like a body deodorant. It works, it smells good, get this. This is each and every, I just love this scent, so I'm taking that. And I'm taking the Labo from Royalty Scents. And I'm gonna put that right off to the side here. This backpack is huge. This is my husband's backpack. And I'm probably gonna steal it. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Putting this in the very frontmost pocket. I put things in here in order of necessity and like consistency. So like liquids and stuff, that's gonna be at the bottom. Clothes will be at the bottom, but in a different pockets, because I don't want them getting wet in case something happens. I got 4 pairs of sunglasses. Don't mind my business, mind your mouse. Don't mind my business. I don't like to take a whole lot of designer shades with me because if something happens, I'm gonna be distraught. But I did bring my Fendi glasses. I bought some Dezi sunglasses, and I brought these really cute ones. They're like YSL dupes from Amazon. So those will be going in here. Oh my God, this has so much room. I can fit so much in here, so much. Okay, I've got jewelry that I'm gonna put on tomorrow. I like to put on a lot of my chains because I want them to get all tangled up. And those are like my gold chains, like real gold. I'm not trying to have them be put in a bag where it's getting lost. So that's another tip. Just wear, if it's understated, like gold, people don't know if it's real or not. People don't know if it's gold filled. Wear that. But diamonds and stuff, especially depending on where you're going, I wouldn't wear that. Just keep that in your carry-on. Better yet, keep it in your purse, like your personal purse. You just gotta think like life is a risk. Is that a risk you're willing to take to lose your nice jewelry? Okay, so this is what I'm wearing tomorrow. So we're gonna leave that out. We have our backpack, which is actually has a lot of room. I'm so excited about this backpack. Like, what the? I should have been using this. I should have been. But I am gonna put my laptop in here. So we're gonna go over. Watch out, Teddy. Find my laptop and my laptop charger. It's on my bed. So that's going in here. Dang, this is such a nice backpack. I can't get over this. Y'all, this is a Swiss gear backpack. Yeah. Okay. We have my MacBook charger. Okay. And then, what happened to my other chargers? Okay, MacBook charger in there. What else do I need? Oops. Phone, camera. And what else? What the hey? Ooh. Okay, I'm not sure if Demari's gonna take his speaker or not. We have the same one. It's actually ours, but he kind of devoted, so I have a separate one that we bought. I'm gonna get the charger for that, and then I'm gonna get the things to make sure I can edit. So my little adapter, my USB-C adapter for my memory cards. Not me looking like Waka Flocka. Come on here, come on, work with me. She fell down, so now she acting like she can't do nothing else. So there's like a little netting piece in here. Let me put that in. What else, guys? What else? That does it. That really does it. I have some like travel fragrances. Well, like trial sample size fragrances that I'm gonna put in my actual personal bag. And yeah, I think that does it. Let me see if I can find my charger. Oops. Okay. Did y'all see me put away my charger? Okay, here it is. See, this is what happens. I don't like it there. It was with my hair stuff. No. Just be back here with the electronics. That's another thing. Have like little categories in your head. Me, I have to talk to myself out loud. Like, I'm putting this here, or else I will mess up and forget. Anything in here I need. I like bringing these headphones in case my other ones die. I like having a backup of headphones. Okay, here it is. My charger for my Apple Watch. I need a couple bases. And you know what else I need? My regular glasses. If anything happens, I need my regular glasses. I'm always paranoid that something might shake, something might happen. And if nothing else, I need to see. I need to see what's going on. What's the tea, sis? Okay. A lot of my plants have already been watered earlier this week, so they'll be good for a little while. Lips dry. Once again, I'm telling y'all, y'all will love that. Okay, that's going in there. And then the other prep is just to make sure all of your devices that you need have to be like charged every day, like your camera, like your phone, like your watch. You have it all by you. So like I have little charging ports on my nightstands. And so I'll put those in and I'll have everything close by. That way when it's time to get up, you know, I grab everything and dip. So hopefully this video was helpful, you guys. Thanks for packing with me. You guys made it fun. You guys made it interesting. And then you kind of got to see that I actually didn't take too long. I like to take a lot of breaks or else I get overwhelmed. I've been stressed prior to going on a trip before and I didn't like that. Look, and it's not heavy. Pack for what you think you're gonna wear, but also pack for like 2 surprises. That's what I've limited it to, 2 surprises. Everything else is like, you know you're gonna wear it, you're not gonna be wasteful. It's really just trial and error thing, guys. So thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for being a part of this prep. We went from drab to fab, honey. No, but stay tuned for this Miami vlog. Stay tuned for whatever content I have coming out, because your girl, she's coming out with the things, with the interesting things. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys later.